Greetings, everyone. Thank you once again for joining us. It's the Gold Standard Group YouTube channel, and I am your friend and host and sponsor, Lucky Rico. And that means that I'm an independent business partner of FIVERR, formerly Karatbars. And there's a story behind why I chose the sponsor ID Lucky Rico, because I really wasn't thinking far enough ahead when I registered my free account with Karatbars that I could really develop this into a business, a respectable business, helping people grow gold savings accounts. When I registered for my free account, I was more curious. I didn't quite believe the system yet. I was really just trying to figure it all out. So I just, created Lucky Rico because that's my actual poker nickname. When you play at the poker table with me, many people already know me as Lucky Rico on the poker table. So I just said, I'll just use that for this Karatbars thing because I don't really know what it's all about. I just want to buy some gold. And that's the mind frame I was in when I registered. And my sponsor, bless his heart, did not know enough to tell me that it's a very difficult thing to change your sponsor ID once you've created it. And instead of going through the hassle of maybe starting over and creating a new name and all of that type of stuff, I said, I'm just going to make this Lucky Rico thing work for me, folks. And I keep a positive mental attitude about everything that I do. And that's why we are here today on the GSG YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us. First of all, I want to let you know that I want to repeat, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to give you advice on how to spend your money. I'm not going to tell you what to invest in. I'm going to recommend some things that I like, that I'm doing for myself. Here at this channel, we highly believe in gold ownership and silver ownership. For that matter, we highly also believe in adopting blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. I think cryptocurrency is going to be the money of the future. It's already happening right now, folks. More and more people are coming into the crypto community. And then the third thing that I primarily promote here is residual income, finding ways to earn residual income through network marketing, for example, kind of what I'm doing right now for FIVERR. I want to just tell you real quick, man, many people have been reaching out to me. They've been very unclear about the moves that the company is making with FIVERR, and they've been trying to urge me to stop talking about FIVERR. Like, why you don't need to do that? You got other talents and things that you can do. Why are you jumping on with FIVERR? Well, for me, folks, let me explain it to you. All right. I do have many talents. I've been able to create several streams of income for myself. All right. So I don't necessarily have to do FIVERR if I don't want to do FIVERR, but I believe in the vision of FIVERR. I believe in the idea of making people better, all right, through the training academy, through trading. I believe in trading, being able to sit anywhere in the world that you want to and actually trade. I believe in that. And I also believe in the gold. It's the Gold Standard Group, so I believe in gold ownership, and you can do all of those things through FIVERR. All right, so I will use FIVERR as a tool for my freedom. And the reason I'm going to continue talking about FIVERR is because I have a network of people that also see opportunity in FIVERR, that want to win with FIVERR, that want to earn residual income. Look, FIVERR will give you 32% on these business packages. If you go out there and just start simply selling the idea of getting better in everything you do. I mean, that's really all the products: trading academies, learning academies, lifelong learning academies, as well as life cards, the 10th of a gram and the 1 gram cards. So folks, I can give you a whole bunch of great reasons why we should continue to move forward with the idea and the vision of Mr. Harold Sykes. But it's up to you to make your own decision. But I'm not going to let you make the decision for me. I'm a strategist, folks. You understand? I know how to use the tools that I have available for me. And I never said to anyone on any of my prior videos to go all in on anything. KBC, Karatbars. Don't put your life savings in one thing. All right, you want to diversify, and you want to talk to somebody who can help you diversify. So you need to learn, in my opinion, folks, to detach your emotions from all of this. That's how we're going to win, because we're going to be thinking clearly and how to move forward. So I'm not going to talk much more about that. That's my spiel for this Monday. You know, I had a birthday this weekend, so I wanted to get some things off my chest that had been bubbling up over the weekend. You know, we have our Gold Standard Group conference call 2 nights. All right, we will have it. I thought about taking a week off, but I don't think I'm going to take a week off, because I don't see Ty Best taking a week off. I don't see Michael Delco taking a week off. Nita Nakos ain't taking a week off. I don't know. Harold Seitz ain't taking a week off. So why should we take a week off? GSG. So look, I'm telling you right now, be on our call tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Zoom ID 540-816-026. And we going to get it on. Now, I wanted to start with this story because I wanted you to understand that it's a very fine line that we straddle when we talk about these ideas and these products and things like that. All right. That's why I wanted to be very clear with everyone that I'm a partner of this company. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a DJ. I'm very clear about who I am and what I'm doing here. But I only promote the things that I believe in, that I'm actually participating in myself. So you heard me talk about KBC, you heard me talk about Karatbars, now you hear me talking about FreeBay. All right, the vision has remained the same, it's intact. Our motivation is to help people get financially free. So you can go out and read this article for yourself, but I do want to get into some gold news, because the price of gold fundamentally on the daily forecast is uncertain, because the Fed, they have a meeting coming up in tomorrow, could limit the movement of gold prices. So let's look at this story real quick. I found on FX Empire, early look at the Fed decision. The Fed holds its last meeting prior to the presidential election in the week ahead. And while it's likely to sound dovish, it may not give markets the details on policy that investors want to hear. All right, so this is going to be an important week, folks. The Fed's two-day meeting is expected to end Wednesday with minor tweaks to its statement and some clarity on how it plans to use forward guidance. The Fed also updated its economic and interest rate outlook, including the forecast for 2023 for the first time. Oh, man. And then they're going to focus on banks as a key focus this week, central banks. Gold traders are also looking forward to hear from the Bank of Japan and the Bank of England on Thursday. Major central banks have rolled out unprecedented stimulus measures to keep interest rates low, driving gold to all new highs because of its role as a hedge against inflation and currency debasement. If there's a concern, it's that the Fed is not going to give us explicit readings on their plans for the monetary policy. So this is something that I think we need to keep our eye on this week, folks, what the Fed is doing in this meeting starting tomorrow. But you know what? I don't think that's going to stop gold at all, even, you know, with the outcome of this meeting, because here on the LOMBARDY letter, the gold rush is in effect. Gold prices could soar past 3,000 an ounce. Yes, indeed. We got to pay attention to this, y'all. Skyrocketing demand could cause gold prices to surge. Look at the U.S. Mint, for example. They are witnessing a robust demand. Considering this, the first 8 months of 2020, between January and August, the Mint sold 589,500 ounces of gold in American Eagle coins. And this is the source of the U.S. Mint access just September 3rd, 2020. So the year isn't over yet, and the Mint has already sold close to 4 times the amount it sold in 2019. And if that doesn't say to you that gold is in demand right there, I don't know what you're paying attention to, because also ETF demand is surging. Central banks wants to buy more gold. All right. So in the second quarter of 2020, they witnessed inflows of 434 tons, 0.1 tons of gold. In the same period a year ago, ETFs had inflows of 76.1 tons of gold. So their demand has jumped 470% year over year. Even with COVID-19 and all sorts of economic slowdowns, central banks purchased 233 tons of gold in the first half of 2020. According to the 2020 Central Bank Gold Reserve Survey by the World Gold Council, 20% of the central banks surveyed said they are looking to increase their gold reserves over the next 12 months. So $3,000 gold, man, could be in our cards. Gold is still very undervalued. If you're not looking at it, you could be making a huge mistake. So you can go read this story over here on the Lombardy letter. And this is, again, ladies and gentlemen, why I have to continue talking about what we are offering at FreeBay, because gold is one of the products. A 1/10 of a gram life card or a 1 gram life card that's going to work interchangeably with our V999 secure stablecoin, gold-backed stablecoin. All right, so these are products that you will be able to have access to through FreeBay, all right, as a customer or as an affiliate. Now, what I think the business offers for those who are business minded, that can keep their eye on the prize, and if they want to make that residual income, this is easy to sell, in my opinion. Once you break down the products and what their offerings are, and you apply it to a real world situation, you can use these tools in any one of your conversations. And then the compensation plan, the Unilevel marketing plan, I think is very, very powerful. So from the old system to the new system, there are some changes. And just like with any change, there's a learning curve. Just give yourself time to understand it. I have, and I see where we're going to win with this thing, because again, I'm going to reiterate, it is free to register for a FreeBay account. It is free. It's free in the name, FreeBay, right? And when you register a free account and you want to start learning how to market, if you want to join the GSG and we, grow together as a team and we learn together as a team, you can come in on the first level and start earning 7% right off the bat for people that you refer into the program that maybe want to learn a little more. They want to do something different, or maybe they just want to own gold, or maybe they want that 0.002% kickback on that B999 coin for being the Genesis coin holder. So we know this week is going to be a very important week for FreeBay as more and more information comes out. We're going to just be listening and be ready for that launch on October 10th, 10/10. Make sure you put it in your calendar. 10/10, make sure you put it in your calendar, because we're going to officially kick this thing off. And so far, I appreciate the way FreeBay has been rolling out. They've given us a month in advance to learn and get acclimated to the changes and learn the marketing plan. And those who want to continue with their businesses, look, I can't stop my marketing business. I'm using the tax write-offs. You know what I'm saying? It makes sense for me to continue with my marketing business, and I'm going to continue with my marketing business. And those who are marketing with me, we're still rolling, baby. All you got to do is pick your head up, open up your brain, and start ingesting the information, and let's get going. Now, I got a message right now to all the owners of a GSG landing page. I want to let you know that all the landing pages have been updated with FreeBay links. I've also given the website just kind of a makeover. I hope you like it, but there's only a few videos up right now. Talking about the compensation plan. We got the short trailer intro and the compensation plan, but we still have the innovators with Jane King and Harold Seitz talking about gold and the need for gold. And we have Harold Seitz reading from his book in the Frankfurt Book Fair. But I'm also updating these videos. We're in full production mode right now. I'm going to be producing some new content for our site as well. But I wanted you to know, folks, that if you own one of these landing pages, it's already been updated. Go check it out, test everything out. If you find any problems with your landing page, just shoot me an email, let me know what's going on. And I'm also offering a new feature right now, folks, for those who want to add your own YouTube link, for example. Right now, this YouTube link on everyone's page filters you back to the Gold Standard Group YouTube channel. But if you have your own YouTube channel and you have your own Instagram, we're going to leave Facebook the way it is and Patreon the way it is. But I'll add those links into those buttons. So when your prospects or your potential customer comes to your landing page, they could also find you on Facebook and your other social media platforms. So, and I'm going to get more back into charting and talking about gold and crypto. And, you know, I'm waiting for the V999 and the KBC mainnet coin to launch in October. So we are trying to do is get people acclimated to what the new system is going to look like. So I'm not opposed to change. I hope you're not opposed to change. And don't miss our conference call tonight, folks. We're going to have some updated videos. Hopefully you can get on and talk to us about your experiences that you've been having so far. All right, maybe some of what your reservations might be. Maybe we can help you with that. And then if you have people, folks, that you're trying to introduce to this idea of saving in gold and learning how to become a better trader with the automated bots and things like that, then bring them to our call tonight. Let's all talk about it. And let's motivate each other to keep pushing forward and plug into all the meetings all week. All right, I think it's going to be an important week. Keep October 10th on your calendar. I think that's going to be a huge launch for FreeBay. All right, folks, if you want to join the GSG network, you can do it right now by going to goldbackers.com or goldbackers.info. You can register your FreeBay account for free right there. So once you register and I get notified, you know, we're going to reach out to you and then we're going to ask you some questions and then we're going to get started on this journey together. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We'll plug in again tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Later.